Aloha, this is Minyoung, broker in charge at RE/MAX Honolulu, and welcome to the beautiful home in Salt Lake. This house was built in 1994. This home's facing the golf course of Honolulu Country Club. This home has 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and a 2-car garage. A total approximately 2,678 square feet of interior living space. Approximately 440 square feet of a car garage on an 8,100 square feet of land. What's really awesome about this house is there are 18 owned solar panels and a solar water heater system. Without having high electric bills. There's an in-ground fish by the entrance. Don't be afraid to raise any fish. Make it your own. Okay, enough with the outside, so let's check out the inside of the house. Welcome to the living area. It has a high vaulted ceiling and many windows to bring in natural sunlight. Split AC and ceiling fan keep this area pretty cool. It's a perfect place to watch TV or read books. Let's go to the dining area. You can fit a big dining table like the ones that you have seen in the Beauty and the Beast. There's also spacious storage and a beautiful chandelier. Not to mention, you'll be looking at this golf course. If you keep the windows open, you can hear the birds. This is the foyer. There's enough space to put waiting chairs or shoes cabinets or both. It also has a high ceiling and a fan to keep this area pretty cool while waiting. So enough with the foyer, let's go to the kitchen. Look at this spacious open kitchen. It has a microwave, dishwasher, and a double-door refrigerator. I like this island where you can prepare food or have a quick meal. It also has a full-size oven, natural sunlight window, and a skylight. It will be very fun to cook here since it has so much space to enjoy. Okay, so enough with the kitchen. What about the bedroom? Let's walk to the primary bedroom. It is quite a walk, so don't get lost. And look at this natural sunlight. Isn't it beautiful? There's a direct access to the dog's room. You also have a beautiful golf course. It also has a high ceiling, which makes the room look even bigger or more open. Pretty cozy and bright here. It really feels like a home. Since it faces the fairway and the trees, you can hear the birds playing and singing. Imagine having a cup of coffee in the morning, looking at this gorgeous view. And this is the primary bathroom, and it's pretty spacious. So let's go to the next bedroom after making a quick stop at the second bathroom. And this is the second bedroom. Super cozy. The rooms on this side of the house all have high ceilings, split ACs, and ceiling fans in every room. This house is not on the main road and located on the end of the road on a quiet cul-de-sac. Definitely has less traffic. And all the windows are double paned. It will not be a problem if you like to use it as a home office. The last bedroom, bathroom, and the laundry rooms are located on the other side of the house, which is separated by the open kitchen and living room. The fourth bedroom is located right on the hallway. There's also a full-size bathroom, so no need to go to the other side of the house. There's also a spacious laundry room with a full-size sink. This home's near Honolulu Country Club golf course, and it's really refined. There have been no golf course front homes in Salt Lake on the market for the last few years. If you'd like to see other properties in Oahu, please visit min808.com. You can register to stay up to date on any neighborhood or building. You can also get notification as new properties are listed. Or contact me at minyounghawaii@gmail.com. Hope to see you next time. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Mahalo.